Robles with Think Real Estate, and I'm really excited today to bring to you an incredible young woman from our neighborhood who is the recipient of the Think Real Estate Rossmoyne Scholarship. And so please let me introduce to you Martha Maines. How you doing, Martha?
Good, how are you?
So Martha is a high school senior who's just graduated, congratulations, and is going on to where?
The University of Southern California.
Wow, congratulations,
Thank
that's
you.
awesome. So she was one of the applicants for the Rossmoyne Scholarship, of which there were many, and we had the opportunity to get to know about incredible seniors in our neighborhood, high school seniors who are just doing wonderful things in the community, and it makes me so proud to live here in Rossmoyne, knowing that the young people in our community are doing things that they're doing. And Martha, tell us a little bit about what you're doing in the community.
Yes, so the past 6 years I've been very involved with National Charity League Glendale, which is a mother and daughter charity organization that interacts with many different charities across Glendale and in the Los Angeles community. So my most important philanthropy I've been involved with is called STEM Sisters at Hathaway Sycamores. I created this little outreach after I had been tutoring the children there for many years, and I'd seen that there was a large gap in their knowledge regarding STEM fundamentals, and so I wanted to create a curriculum that would give them that hands-on experience with labs and experiments over the summer, like a 6-week kind of course. We did extracting DNA from strawberries as well as a rocket launch, and it was a lot of fun, and it was a great way to supplement their learning.
Very cool. Now, one of the things on your application that almost made me tear up, I have to admit, was your involvement with the Senior Center.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about that. That was something else.
So I think about 4 years ago, 12 Oaks Senior Lodge up in La Crescenta, they were facing some legal difficulties because a condominium company wanted to buy it and knock the whole place down and build condos there, and which would leave many of the seniors without a home and without a place to go to. And so National Charity League and we all teamed up as together, and we did a lot of pro bono legal work and many hours, picketing and chanting the condominium company, trying to fight this injustice.
What was the chant?
I think it was like "Respect Our Seniors Golden Rule," like something like that.
Right,
but
right.
It was really catchy, and that gained a lot of traction. And luckily, in the end, we were able to save the senior center and give the seniors a place to live for next year.
That was a great story. What a great cause. Again, getting to know you and getting to know what you've done in our community just really makes me feel great living here among all the wonderful residents that we have. And I just want to say thank you for applying. Congratulations on graduating high school and going on to USC, and on being the first recipient of the Think Real Estate Rossmoyne Scholarship. So right here for it.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. So here you go. Good to see you.
Thank you for this opportunity.
You're welcome.
It's really amazing.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Martha Maines, thank you.
Thank you.